With so many losing their jobs or being laid off for an indefinite amount of time, you may have questions about your existing car loan or whether or not you can afford a new car. Each automaker is coming up with a variety of ways to assist during the pandemic, and I'll break down all of the important manufacturers for you in a series of videos, starting with Chevrolet. First, financial assistance is available. From waiving certain late fees to offering an automatic 1-month lease extension if you are nearing the end of your lease, Chevy says give them a call to discuss your particular situation. For those who need a new ride, Chevy is offering interest-free financing for 84 months for those with good credit on most 2019 and 2020 Equinox, Silverado 1500, and Trax models. You can also defer your payments for 120 days on most other Chevys as long as you finance through GM Financial. And to get that transaction done, Chevy is offering the ability to shop online from your local dealer and then have the vehicle delivered to your home. Perhaps you initially passed on the data subscription plan for your new vehicle. Well, Chevy is now offering complimentary data of 3 gigabytes per month for up to 3 months so that you can stay connected. And lastly, OnStar Crisis Assist has been activated and is now available for a limited time. To use it, push your blue OnStar button to connect to an advisor. Chevy says this is a priority connection that can act as a central point of contact during a crisis, providing you with vital information from the OnStar Command Center, along with routing assistance and emergency aid from a specially trained advisor. For TestDriveNow.com, I'm Steve Hammis.